What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another What's in the Box review for you. Today we're working with the 124 scale Italeri, whatever. These people that made it, they made it. Volvo 760Gle. Pretty cool. This was one of those late night eBay. It's kind of funny too, because I just the day before I seen it of Volvo like this. It was all beat up and just hammered. I was like, oh, that'd be pretty funny to make that as a model. And then this popped up in my suggestion feed. So yeah, I don't know. They're definitely reading our thoughts. I didn't type in Volvo anywhere. I didn't go searching for one. But one found me. Oh, gosh, look at that blue. That is, for lack of a better word, hideous. Oh my gosh. So, cool. I'm just going to leave it in the bag because it's all nicely sealed. There's an engine bottom, it looks like. Curbside. You could cut it and open it and put something in there. So that would be an interesting. What would you put in there? Turbo LS, Turbo 2J. Who knows? We'll see. That's kind of why I bought it. The price was right. Again, one of those eBay deals. I mean, as you saw, I cut the thing open. It was sealed. Wait a second, why is there only 3 tires here? We have a problem. We might not even wind up using those anyways. It's a good looking tire, but, good glass, stuff, instructions, decals, and just license plates. But that hood does open. Ooh, it's even got a transmission too. That makes things. Oh, yeah, I might be chopping this one open. Let's see what goes in. Let's see what fits. So, that does it for this reprint edition of What's in the Box for the Volvo 760Gle with chrome parts and rubber interiors. There we go. Thanks for watching.